Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked, where I show you how to get dreadlocks like your favorite celebrities. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we are going to be looking at Trippie Redd again. And I didn't really think this was going to happen, but literally the same day that I posted a video of Trippie Redd and an update on his dreads, he actually dyed them again, and he did it in honor of the passing of XXXTentacion. So let's go ahead and look at Trippie Redd's dreads and kind of see what he did. Alright, so Trippie Redd, let's take a look and see what the deal is. We got a video right here. We can see that his hair is red on the right side of his head and black on the left side of his head. And he did say that he did this in honor of XXXTentacion, like I did say. So it's really interesting, and it's interesting to see that I made that video the same day that he did his hair this way. And I'm pretty sure he actually maintained his roots, I'm assuming. Kind of positive that he went through a whole process of kind of maintaining them, but looking at this photo you can't really see that he did maintain them all the way down the root, so I don't think he did actually. But yeah, we've never seen this from anybody. They're half red and half black, so it's interesting seeing it, and I honestly think we are going to see this a lot more from people. One thing that I do see in this photo is that he's cutting his dreadlocks, so you can see at the tips of his dreads how they're kind of got like a little ball at the end. That is a result of cutting them. I'm not sure if he just recently cut them. I do see that in the front they are a little shorter, so it looks like he's even cutting his bangs. I don't know if this is a new fashion that's going to go around all these celebrities to where they cutting their bangs. You guys see that Sway Lee cut his bangs. He was one of the first ones that I did see. And then now we see Lil Pump is doing it, and then now it looks like Trippie Redd is on that boat as well. I'm not sure if we're gonna see it from a whole bunch of people, but it is really interesting, and let's see if he has anything in his story concerning his dreadlocks. Take a look at his hashtag and see if he has any photos in here of his dreadlocks. Like I said, it's just really interesting to see that his hair is actually dyed red and black, and it was cool. I thought he was actually gonna keep it. I was looking at his story when someone sent it to me that he dyed it black and blonde, like how XXXTentacion had his, and then he ended up putting the red in there, so I thought he was gonna keep it black and blonde, but nope, he added his own thing to it and added a red in there, and that's really interesting. Here's a old photo of X when he had the red and blonde, the black and blonde, sorry. So that's pretty much basically all I found on Trippie Redd and his new hairstyle. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Are you guys up for Trippie Redd's new hairstyle, or are you not? Comment everything down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also I wanted to give a shout out too. So make sure to give a comment on this video to get shout out in the next video. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.